Hi, I'm Christina Williams, here to share a quick tip with you. Doilies, doilies, doilies. Doilies are everywhere. They're cheap, easy to find, and so cute, especially when paired with the craft paper phenomenon also. I've shown you here a couple of easy gift bags that you can create using paper lunch sacks. Everybody's got a drawer full of those right now, and a couple of different shapes of paper doilies that I happen to have in my stash. When you have the Xyron Creative Station, it's very easy to just slip those right on through and apply adhesive to the back of them. If your doily is too wide, the round doily that I have right here was too wide to fit through my Creative Station. So I folded it in half with the inside facing out, and I applied the adhesive to the inside of it, only one half of it, and stuck that down here, and that still closes the bag that way. So that's just one little thing. I also ran my heart-shaped doily through and closed an envelope using that. So that was another easy thing. The Teresa Collins X I used on this doily strip of lace that I happen to have. It's just some paper lace that's cut out like a doily. And I'll show you here how simple it is to add this to the front of a card. I just run it through. So fast and simple to adhere right to the front of this craft colored card that I've got. And isn't that so cute and delicate? So I'm going to challenge you to go and find some doilies, run them through your Xyron, and apply them to anything craft. I think you'll love what you get.